Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjas Lieng. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Rnong ke sarong ke jela Meghalaya hadien bu usamla Pynshngaiñ Kurbah ubala apa Westem Karta ula job ke khusna meningkong na ke benta ke Meghalaya ha ke lempung ile kai 38 National Games ke belong ha ke jela Uttarakhand. Usamla Pynshngaiñ Kurbah busa ha ke Rnong la berwa Ripoi district ula job ke Takma Rnong ha ke men's slalom K1 event ke belong ha ke Southrik Urempang arajar pausan. Haga jimplai khubor da Transport and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jilla la pentip bu samla Pynshngaiñ udu samla bu jus ngotenat bhaban pentibet jarade haga Ïakob Ñiah Lieng dan ka kayak slalom mentalah news nam duna limbaga jingalam linti jonga Meghalaya Gunu Association unu samla la job rui ka kusnam Takma haga Khelo India Youth Games haga jingat linti ki jong unu samla ulit ban sha pentibet jalade ringkat baki ar phongot ki Ñiah Lieng ha tham Ripoi district daga jingi shimbentalang jonga Elizabeth Vincent kabla job ka Takma Rnong ha ke Asian Championship namar ketiga jingwan ra buram jo unu samla ke jela Meghalaya umindrang ba ka jela konrad ke sangma ulai khuble kerpang lingba ke video conferencing.
I take this opportunity first of all to congratulate our young hero Pynshngaiñ Kurbah for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you, and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really we are very proud of you, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state. And of course I also would like to congratulate Sheila and Vincent. Ïakob and Sheila for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place. We have sat down a couple of times. I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing, and really this is I'm sure the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come, but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Lieng and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pynshngaiñ if you want to say something. How do you feel?
I'm feeling happy, sir.
That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and all, sir.
Very good. And Lieng, Sheila, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for all your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Meghalaya.
So, Pynshngaiñ, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you, so that you have security and in the future, because you have done us all proud, and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done, and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy, which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So enjoy, and wish the rest of the team also the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.